Have you ever opened a shiny new credit card just for that amazing sign-up bonus? Only to freeze when you realize you actually have to spend $3,000 in 3 months without wrecking your budget? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you real, simple, and practical strategies to hit those minimum spend requirements without wasting money. And if you stick with me till the end, I'll also share a powerful bonus tip that banks don't want you to know, because it saves you money while still unlocking those juicy rewards. Just a quick disclaimer at this point before I proceed, to remind you that all information shared in this video is only for educational purposes, and you are free to do your own research or consult a financial advisor before applying whatever you learn here. So with that being said, let's dive right in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Finance Tips Plug channel, where we make personal finance simple, clear, and doable. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss money-saving strategies like this one. Alright, let's jump into the exact steps you can take to meet your credit card minimum spend requirements without overspending. Section 1. Understand the requirement. First things first. Let's break down what a minimum spend requirement actually means. When you sign up for a new credit card, especially those travel or cashback cards, banks often say, spend $2,000 or $3,000 in the first 3 months and get a $500 bonus or 60,000 travel points. Sounds awesome, right? But here's the catch. If you don't plan properly, you might end up buying random stuff you don't even need just to hit that number. That's a trap. And it defeats the whole point of earning rewards. So, our mission is to use money you already spend in smarter ways, instead of adding new, unnecessary expenses. Think of it like squeezing juice from the oranges you already have, without running to the store to buy a whole new bag. Section 1. Understand the requirement. First things first. Let's break down what a minimum spend requirement actually means. When you sign up for a new credit card, especially those travel or cashback cards, banks often say, spend $2,000 or $3,000 in the first 3 months and get a $500 bonus or 60,000 travel points. Sounds awesome, right? But here's the catch. If you don't plan properly, you might end up buying random stuff you don't even need just to hit that number. That's a trap, and it defeats the whole point of earning rewards. So, our mission is to use money you already spend in smarter ways instead of adding new, unnecessary expenses. Think of it like squeezing juice from the oranges you already have, without running to the store to buy a whole new bag. Use the card for regular purchases, then immediately pay it off with money you already budgeted. So with that mindset, let's look at practical tactics you can use. Section 2. Use everyday expenses. Alright, here's the easiest and most obvious trick. Just put your everyday expenses on that new credit card. Groceries, gas, streaming subscriptions, your cell phone bill, utilities, these add up fast. Let's do a quick example. Groceries $500 per month. Gas $200 per month. Phone plus internet $150 per month. Utilities $200 per month. That's already $1,050 per month. In 3 months, that's over $3,000. Boom, you just hit your minimum spend without changing your lifestyle. The key here is discipline. Use the card for regular purchases, then immediately pay it off with money you already budgeted. If you do this, you're basically turning your bills into rewards instead of debt. Section 3. Prepay bills. Now here's a sneaky smart move. Some companies let you prepay your bills. For example, many utility companies allow you to pay more than what you owe. Some phone or internet providers let you add credit to your account. So, instead of just paying $150 for this month's bill, you could prepay $600, covering 4 months at once. That counts toward your minimum spend instantly, and you won't have to worry about those bills later. Think about it. You're not spending extra, you're just paying in advance. In future, you will thank yourself for being so clever. Section 4. Pay rent or mortgage carefully. Big expense hack. Your rent. Some platforms, like some rent payment services, allow you to pay rent with a credit card, even if your landlord doesn't accept them directly. Yes, there's usually a small fee, around 2 to 3%, but if you're chasing a $500 plus sign-up bonus, sometimes it's worth it. For example, paying $1,200 rent through a service with a 3% fee $36. But if that $1,200 helps you unlock a $600 sign-up bonus, you still come out ahead. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing this every month forever, but as a one-time strategy, it's golden. This is where smart math comes in. You're trading a tiny cost for a massive reward. Section 5. Cover medical or dental bills. Got a doctor's appointment, dentist cleaning, or maybe an upcoming procedure. Perfect timing. Most medical providers accept credit cards. Even if you don't have a big medical expense right now, here's a little-known hack. Many providers let you prepay for future visits. So if you know you'll be seeing your dentist twice this year, go ahead and pay up front with your card. That's money you would have spent anyway just earlier, and now it works toward your bonus. Turn a routine checkup into free flights or cashback rewards. Section 6. Family and Friends Strategy. Here's a fun one. Ask your family and friends if you can pay for something on their behalf. Example, your brother's buying a new laptop for $1,000. Offer to put it on your card and have him pay you back instantly. Your parents are paying for car repairs? Same deal. It's a win-win. They get convenience and you get closer to your spending requirement. Of course, only do this with people you trust 100%. You don't want to be chasing your cousin around for months asking for your money back. With the right teamwork, you can reach your spending goal faster, without spending extra. Section 7. Gift cards and prepaid options. Another great method. Buy gift cards for places you already shop. For example, Amazon gift cards, grocery store gift cards, gas station gift cards. Let's say you buy a $500 Amazon gift card with your new credit card. You know you'll use it over the next few months anyway, but the spend counts today. It's like moving future spending forward. Super effective, but remember, don't overdo it, because unused gift cards are basically wasted money. Think of this as buying yourself store credit while unlocking those travel points at the same time. Section 8. Insurance premiums. Many insurance companies, auto, renters, even health, allow you to pay your premiums with a credit card. And here's the trick. Often you can pay 6 or 12 months upfront instead of monthly. So, if your car insurance is $150 per month, paying the full year upfront equals $1,800 charged to your card. That alone could knock out more than half of your requirement in one shot. Why drip feed your insurance payments when you can power level your credit card rewards in one go? If you or your kids are in school, check if tuition payments can be made with a credit card. Even student loan companies sometimes accept credit cards through third-party processors. Yes, fees may apply, but again, if the reward value outweighs the cost, it's worth it as a one-time move. Want to do good while meeting your spend? Many charities accept credit cards. Donating $200, $500 not only helps you meet your goal, but also gives you a tax-deductible write-off in many cases. It's the rare case where you're helping yourself and others at the same time. Alright, you stuck with me this far, so here's the bonus tip banks don't talk about. You can use your credit card to buy reloadable prepaid debit cards or money orders from certain stores. Then, you can use that prepaid card to pay regular bills that normally don't accept credit cards. This is a more advanced strategy and not always available everywhere, but when it works, it's an absolute game changer. Just be careful. Don't make this your long-term habit, and always read the fine print to avoid fees. With this strategy, you're basically bending the system to work in your favor, legally. So, let's recap the smartest ways to meet your minimum spend without overspending. 1. Put all everyday expenses on the card. 2. Prepay bills like utilities and phone. 3. Use rent or mortgage services strategically. 4. Pay medical or dental expenses. 5. Help family and friends with big purchases. 6. Buy gift cards you'll definitely use. 7. Pay insurance premiums up front. 8. Cover tuition or student loans. 9. Donate to charity. 10. And the advanced bonus tip. Use prepaid options to cover non-card bills. If you apply even just a couple of these strategies, you'll crush your spending requirement without ever blowing your budget. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these hacks will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with a friend who just got a new credit card. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more smart money tips every single week. Until next time, keep your spending smart and your rewards high.